Hello students, so welcome back again to my class Words of Wisdom. So proceeding ahead with our chapter of passive voice, let us continue it with imperative sentence. How to change an imperative sentence from an active voice to passive voice. So order a command with objects. Shut down all the doors. Don't unwrap my gifts. So here in both of the sentences we can observe that we are having objects. So now let us see how to change them. Shut down all the doors. So when we are having a command in which we are having objects, we can change them in two different ways. The first one is let plus subject, then be, and then V3, third form of the verb. Shut down all the doors. Let all the doors. Let all the doors be shut down. Let all the doors be shut down. And then we can change it with must be or should be also. This type of formation we can simply say that passive voice जो कि हम simple sentences के कर रहे हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही हम जो हमारा जो doer है और या फिर हमारा जो agent है उसको हमने पहले लेना होता है, तो इसको हम simply उसी वे में ले सकते हैं. All the doors must be और should be, क्योंकि must आपको पता है must be और should be भी हम कमांड के सेंस में यूज होते हैं ऑलरेडी. तो all the doors must be shut down. All the doors must be shut down. So in this way we can say that an imperative sentence of command that are having or that is having an object can be changed in two ways. Now see the negative one. Don't unwrap my gifts. Don't unwrap my gifts. Let my gifts not be. Here after subject we will add not be. Let my gifts not be unwrapped. Or in the same way in negative, my gifts must not be unwrapped. Okay. Then commands without the objects. Sit down. So here we can say we are only having verb, first form of the verb. Sit down. So in such cases when we are having first form of the verb without the object in our command, or we are only having tones without any object, in such cases we don't change them with let, but we change them with you are ordered or yes, you are ordered. Okay, so sit down. You are ordered. After that to, and then first form of the verb. You are ordered to sit down. As we know that after to we always use first form of the verb. You are ordered to sit down. Negative, don't run fast. You are ordered not to run fast. Students, in most of the grammar books this rule has not been given, so don't get confused कि आपके बुक में रूल नहीं है, बट ये इस तरीके से होता है. Actually if you are in school level, so may be possible that you are not having such kinds of sentences, but in competition exams you may find such kinds of sentences. So be aware ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ओनली, क्योंकि अगर फ्यूचर में आकर के जब भी आप फिर सेंटेंसेस करते हैं, जब भी कंपटीशन लेवल पर जाकर आप पढ़ते हैं तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि आपने स्कूल लेवल पर कभी कभी ये रूल नहीं किए होते हैं, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि सेंटेंसेस रॉन्ग है। ठीक है, तो सेंटेंसेस रॉन्ग नहीं होता है, थोड़ा सा कंपटीशन लेवल पर थोड़ा सा हायर हो जाता है। ठीक है, तो ये रूल वहां पर आते हैं कभी कभी। ठीक है, तो आपको अगर पहले से पता है दैट इज वेल एंड गुड। So in this way we observe that till now we have changed the orders in 3 different ways. First one starts with lat. First one that starts with lat means that is changed with lat, and then second one that is changed with must be, and then the next one you are ordered when we are not having object. Then comes the third one, let me complete my homework. Let me complete my homework. Now here you can observe that commands already starting with let. Commands that already begin with let. Let me complete, let my homework, let my homework be completed. Let my homework be completed. And if we are having negative sentence with starting with let, don't let him go alone. Let objective case not be in third form of the verb. Let him not be gone alone. This is a kind of bare infinitive sentence also. Let him not be go alone. Okay. So in this way we can observe that we have changed the command in 3 or 4 different ways. 4 different ways. Now next one, advise. Advice. Always listen to your elders. It is very easy. Advice is changed into you are advised. Okay. So always listen to your elders. You are advised. You are advised to listen to your elders. Okay. Be very much attentive when you are changing an active voice into passive voice, means statement of advice when you are using or changing. Spelling of advice. Be very much attentive of the spelling of advice. VICE is a noun while VISE is a verb. So because we have to add over here third form of the verb, we will have to add here the third form of the verb, so we will use the spelling SED. Okay, don't ignore your studies. You are advised not to ignore your studies. You are advised not to ignore your studies. Now here comes one more thing, suggestions. Sometimes suggestions are also started with let. How? See, let us complete our homework. Let us complete our homework. Earlier we did one sentence, let me complete my homework. Let me complete my homework is an order or a command कि मुझे मेरा काम करने दो, वो एक ऑर्डर है. लेकिन जब मैं बोल रही हूँ let us complete our homework, चलो अपना काम करते हैं, कंप्लीट करते हैं, तो ये क्या हुई? एक एडवाइस हुई ना, एक सजेशन हुआ. तो जब ऐसी कंडीशन आती है तो उस कंडीशन में हम पैसिव वॉइस को कैसे चेंज करेंगे? यू आर suggested to complete our homework. You are suggested to complete our homework. There is one more kind of sentence. You are required to complete your project by time. Okay, so don't get confused if you get such kinds of phrases. You are suggested, you are required in passive voice. ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि you are advised से ही sentence बनेगा. ठीक है, इस तरह से भी बन सकते हैं sentences जो भी नियर बाय वर्ड्स होते हैं उनसे इनका रिप्लेसमेंट हो सकता है. ठीक है, मोस्टली ये कॉम्पिटिशन लेवल पर इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस आते हैं. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड विद. ओके, देन द लास्ट वन, वेरी सिंपल. रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज पास दैट सॉल्ट सैला. रिक्वेस्ट इज ऑलवेज चेंजिंग टू यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड. You are requested to ask that salt cellar. You are requested to pass that salt cellar. Kindly don't spoil your energy over such trivial things. You are requested not to. You are requested not to spoil your energy over such trivial things. Okay, you are requested not to spoil your energy over such trivial things. Okay, so these are the sentences of imperative sentences in which you have to make changes in these different ways. Here is one more example. An order again. An order also can be replaced with your want. Okay. जैसे कि यहाँ पर उसे don't run fast. You are want not to run fast. Okay. तो इस तरीके से जो नियर बाय वर्ड्स होते हैं वो रिप्लेस हो सकते हैं. सो उससे हमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप द चैप्टर इज क्रिस्टल क्लियर टू यू नाउ. मीट यू सून विद माय नेक्स्ट ग्रामर लेसन इन विच आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट आर टोन्स, मीन्स व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू विल ऑलवेज कीप इन योर माइंड while changing an active voice into passive voice.